This kid's digital sport watch, designed for girls and boys aged 5 to 16, has become a popular choice among parents looking for a functional, durable, and kid-friendly fitness tracker. After gathering reviews from various sources across the internet, it is clear that this watch stands out for several reasons, while also having some areas that could use improvement. This review aims to provide a comprehensive overview based on user experiences and product features, helping prospective buyers make an informed decision. Starting with the design, the watch is praised for its appealing and colorful look that resonates well with children. The strap is soft and comfortable, fitting small wrists with ease, and it offers multiple adjustment holes to accommodate growing kids. The display is clear, featuring a black background with light-colored numbers, which enhances readability even for younger users. Many parents noted that their children loved having a watch that looked similar to adult models, which encouraged them to wear it regularly. Functionality is a strong point for this watch. It includes a step counter, pedometer, vibration alarm clock, stopwatch, and calorie tracking. The step counter, while a popular feature, has received mixed feedback regarding accuracy. Some users reported that the watch counts any movement, including car rides, as steps, which can lead to inflated step counts. Despite this, the pedometer and alarm features are generally well-liked, especially the vibration alarm, which is effective for waking children without disturbing others. One of the most appreciated aspects is that the watch does not require any app connection. This simplicity is a significant advantage for parents who want to limit screen time and avoid complicated setups. The watch is waterproof, allowing kids to wear it during swimming lessons and outdoor activities without worry. Durability is also noted, with several reports of the watch surviving drops and rough handling without damage. Charging the watch has been a point of contention. Some users found the strap and case difficult to remove for charging, and the charger cable itself is quite short, which can be inconvenient. Battery life, however, is generally good, with the watch holding a charge for a long time between charges. Programming the watch is straightforward, but may require initial consultation of the user manual, as some features are not immediately intuitive. Parents and children alike found the alarm and stopwatch functions easy to use after a brief learning period. The watch also displays time and date clearly, making it a practical everyday accessory. In terms of value, the watch is considered a great buy for the price. It offers many features typically found in more expensive models and caters well to the needs of young users. The size is perfect for kids, and the design allows room for growth, making it a watch that can be used over several years. Customer service has received positive remarks, with at least one instance of the company promptly addressing a product failure within 2 months of purchase. This responsiveness adds confidence for buyers concerned about potential issues. On the downside, some users experience the watch breaking within a short time frame, which raises concerns about long-term durability. The step counter's inaccuracy and the difficulty in charging are minor drawbacks, but worth considering. Despite these issues, the overall consensus is that this watch is a solid choice for children who need a simple, reliable, and fun fitness tracker without the complexity of apps. In conclusion, this kid's digital sport watch is highly recommended for parents seeking a no-fuss, waterproof, and feature-rich watch for their children. It encourages activity through its step counter and calorie tracking, supports daily routines with its alarm and stopwatch, and offers a comfortable fit and appealing design. While not perfect, especially regarding step count accuracy and charging convenience, it delivers excellent value and functionality for its price point. Prospective buyers are encouraged to read the user manual carefully to maximize the watch's features and to consider the positive customer service experiences when making their decision. If you own this watch, please leave your review in the comments to help others make the best choice.